Let's talk about VinClasse ceramic stoppers for swing top bottles, pack of 12. Replacement swing top ceramic stopper and seal. Fits all VinClasse Balliihoo swing top bottles including 500 ml amber beer, 500 ml clear beer, 750 ml classic style clear, 250 ml 500 ml Costalata Roma bottles. These swing top stoppers come fitted with rubber seals. These seals are also available separately. Really unhappy with these. Nearly all of the ceramic heads were chipped, so putting them onto my handmade ceramic bottles decreases the aesthetics dramatically, so I won't be using them. They are a grey dull white ceramic, not as bright and clean looking as the image. Lovely stuff. As described, good quality.